Hi, I'm Maria. I'm a student here at ECC, and I'm currently here with Tiffany Bruno, one of the academic advisors.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you for coming.
Of course, thank you.
So, Tiffany, say I'm a new student here at ECC, and I don't know where to start. Would you be able to help me with that?
Of course. So the first place that new students start is in admissions. They start with their new student orientation appointment, and after that they take some placement testing. And then they meet with the advisor one-on-one with a 30-minute appointment. And in that 30-minute appointment, we plan your first semester classes. So we talk about the program that you're interested in ECC. We talk about if you know your major. If not, we refer you to career development services. And then we plan your first semester classes. And then what we do is we walk you down to First Stop. And at First Stop is where you would make your schedule and register for those classes. They also show you payment plans at First Stop and the whole online system. They get you set up with your email. And then after that, we sometimes give students a list of other resources here at ECC as well.
Awesome. And is there any other resources that can help me here at ECC?
Yes, there's tons. So one of the first ones would be, if you're still deciding, career development services is very important. The academic advisor would refer you to career development services, and then you would work one-on-one with the career development specialist for exploring career exploration and finding out what you want to do for a major later on for transfer. We also offer veteran services, so veterans have an academic advisor here at ECC, and veteran services for more support, for benefit support. We also offer financial aid services. They talk about scholarships, financial aid. We offer First Stop. First Stop is the information desk up in the front, and they're always here for just questions to navigate the building, navigate the system. We also offer D2L support services, so when you're a new student, it's hard to know where your classes are going to be listed, so D2L support is there for students as well.
Awesome. So say I'm a single parent and don't have anybody to take care of my children. Is there anything that can help me with that?
Yes, of course. So ECC offers a child development center, and they're really nice. They have really good a list of what their package costs are online. So I always send that link to students so that they know where to go and who to ask the questions to.
Well, thank you so much, Tiffany, for spilling the tea on all the academic resources there are out there for me and other students.
Of course. Thank you for having me.